Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. I would say this would be like a spur of the moment type of thing, but it's kind of not. I always had this idea that I'll get some kind of meaningful tattoo, but in Miami. Currently in Miami, my brethren was like, aren't you going to get that tattoo? We went to 3 different shops, back at the first one. And yeah, I'm going to get it done today. Let's do it, man. About to get your tattoo.
Yep.
How you feel, man?
I'm anxious, but ready for it.
What are you getting for your tattoo?
I'm gonna get a K to represent my name. My nickname is K Star. It's just gonna be K with some stars around it.
Am I a bad influence?
Sort of. Yeah, man.
And even a song feels alright?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, so Kurt's tattoo is just about done and I think it looks really neat. What I like about that machine, didn't make a lot of noise, but anyway, I'm up next. And his guns,
yeah.
Okay.
I don't know about all that,
Star.
but K-Star in the house.
Yo, it's been a minute you want to get this tattoo, right?
Years.
Years.
Yeah.
Finally got it done. How you feel?
Feel good?
Feels good. Crazy. Alright guys, so we're about to go in. Oh my god.
How's it feeling, Soai?
It feels like these things. But you guys know I'm used to that.
Concentrated, right?
Yeah. But these things are worse.
Yeah.
It actually feels good. Aztec type of design.
Yeah. So what does it mean?
God is greater than my highs and lows.
That's what's up.
So you guys have any questions? You want to make any appointments with me or have some questions about your tattoo?
All right. Thank you, no problem.
Yours should heal super nicely because it's just one line.
Okay.
First tattoo.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all excited?
I'm super excited.
What are you guys about to do right now?
Get something to eat.
Down south and then go to Black Point Marina.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys. So we got our tattoos just
can't
now.
believe it.
Let me tell you, man, I'm so freaking excited. Oh, yeah. I know I always roast people about the whole coconut water thing. Yeah. But anyway, we got the tattoos done. I'm already excited for my next session, but that's whenever I get back to Miami another time. And yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get something to eat, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I'll catch you guys soon with my fake coconut water.
That's all they had, brother.
What the hell is this, bro?
Keep your lane when you turn.
All right, guys, so right now we are super hungry and we just got to the Black Point Marina right now. What kind of food do they have at Kurt?
Seafood.
Seafood. You guys know already, when it comes on to food and all them edible stuff, I just love seafood. It's just my go-to, like lobster and all that crap. Worst case scenario, steak. So we're basically here. And this is where all the rich people in Miami are, right?
Some of them.
Dude said some of them. Look at all them boats, man. Just boats. Ooh, them coconuts different than the one we got in Jamaica. Well, I think we have coconuts looking similar to that one, but that one like well yellow. But so how do they call you when you're ready?
They use a vibrator.
With a vibrator?
Yeah.
Whoa, okay. Okay, Tracy has that's fine. Oh, dude says vibrator. Yeah, anyway, so we got a buzzer. They said about 15 minutes, so whenever the buzzer goes off. Bro,
Steven.
vibrate, bro. Alright guys, so we just got seated just now by the marina. Yo, people talk about America like it's a really great place, but it got mosquitoes too, yo. That's the worst part. I think it's the first time ever I've ever got like bitten by mosquitoes in the US. Like, damn, bro. Well, anyway, we're gonna be getting. Well, I was trying to get some lobster just now, but they don't really have that, so I don't know what I'm gonna get. But yeah, it's pretty chill here. It's somewhere that you guys frequent a lot. You guys come here quite often?
Often.
Not often.
Once in a while.
Once in a while. You wanted to come here to catch the sunset?
Sunset.
Yeah.
I feel that. Definitely does have that vibe. Anyway, you know what's funny? People always talk about millennials and phones, and look at these people. Look at them. Look at he was trying to put it on his phone like
Not me.
he was trying to put it on his phone like real quick. Like my phone's in my pocket. Like it's crazy. Anyhow. And if you guys can look right out there, just right there, something moving, that's an alligator, yo. That's the crazy part about Florida, like the waters, man. Bro, this is the first I've ever seen an alligator like in the wild, just doing its thing. Oh, snap.
I'm not feeling this. Imagine the one time I said I want to we're going to see gators.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No, but you gotta get up here.
You trying to scare me with that, right? No.
Are you kidding me right
Oh
now?
my gosh, man.
Someone's coming right here.
Yo. Yes. That's crazy. Yo, this place is plugged because they have bug spray. Like, I was not exaggerating. The ones in Jamaica usually don't like me, but I guess they realize that I'm like a little tropical fruit. Yes, you know what I'm saying? Okay. And like, girl, you from Jamaica, taste that jerk chicken, boy.
The funny thing is they don't bother me here, but in Jamaica they kill me.
Exactly. That's I think that's what I think it is. That new blood.
Everybody know about the vloggers and thingy.
Yeah, it's a thing. Like, once they see a camera, like, are you vlogging?
How much of a job it could do.
Just want to bathe in it.
Oh my gosh.
It feels like that.
Huh? I need some.
Are they getting
some on my foot.
You ready?
Pass it there when you finish.
Oh.
I just want some for my feet. Because I'm covered up here. Put on your foot.
Yeah. I don't know my armpits too, because they're like, boy, them armpits clean. What Kurt doesn't realize, the reason why we put him right here at the head of the table is just in case any gators come, he's the first one to go. Oh, yo, look at that, guys. Just got the shrimp po' boy with some avocado. Did you guys see the mosquito fly past? God damn, that was a fly. Anyway, and Kurt got the same thing.
Without avocado.
Shrimp po' boy without avocado, and you got the
salmon.
Salmon, so it's like an Asian salmon.
Yeah.
With broccoli and some rice. Ooh.
That's so good.
It's gonna be a whole vibe, man. The fries are good.
Yeah. With some ketchup, huh?
How is it?
It's real good.
Really good?
Yep. The shrimps are juicy, lightly breaded, and whatever sauce, the remoulade or whatever, is really good.
Facts. Do you want ketchup, right?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, if I say fries taste, everything else have a lip, man.
The shrimp are nice, man. I can just imagine with the onions and stuff. Even the hoagie bread is good.
The bread? Oh, what is that more now?
I will take one corner.
You have to cut in a two first.
Yeah, man, we're cutting that too, man. We can't mind yourself.
Man, just go, sir.
Yeah, but these have more stuff in it.
The avocados and all that good stuff.
Fire.
The avocados are like butter, bro.
It looks like it. We taste the sauce in it. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The mosquito just flew into my face. It felt like a fly, not them big.
They're very big. I'm gonna get the money's worth with this one.
You can have all the rest of my fries. I'm not supposed to eat them. No such cheese. Everything's good. The shrimp's not salty or
How are we
nothing.
doing over here, guys?
We're doing great.
Good? Enjoy.
Yeah. Guys, look at this shrimp, man.
I set our mosquito up on the foot.
That's why I spray
Me
my
feel
foot.
something
That's
heavy.
why I always spray my feet because
All right, guys, we are back home now. Let me tell you, today was a super spontaneous day. Honestly, this is how I like to spend my days in life. I hate monotony. I hate when I know exactly what's going to happen, especially when you're trying to have a very good time. I went to the tattoo shop, to be quite honest, just to gain the prices of the tattoo and just to have a feel, you know, would I be afraid or whatever the case is. Anyhow, went to 3 different shops, found one that I really liked. We got a very good deal and the deal was done. Now, is it something that you necessarily need for your life? Could I have gone on with the rest of my life without it? Hell yes. It's not something that I find very necessary. But I saw the quote, you know, God is greater than your highs and lows. I thought it was very unique. I thought it was very neat. It was very clean. It was very artsy. And it had a very strong meaning behind it because 2020, for all of us, has been a very tough year. But some of us also had highs and not just lows. Maybe, just maybe, this year you were a lot more creative. You found different income streams and maybe you made more money than you made last year. Or maybe you worked a lot more comfortably from your home. Every year has something different to offer. It's always a spontaneous year and it has been great to come this far with you guys this year. I'm not trying to do an actual vlogmas, but this is going to be the closest as I'll get to it. I'll try to drop a video every single day. But tomorrow, hopefully I can take you guys to a hotel where we'll do a couple stuff. Honestly, we were supposed to go kayaking and do all that waterwork stuff, but I now have a tattoo and that doesn't really allow it. It's not the smartest move. So let's see what happens on the next video tomorrow. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.